all of my life, lying on the sand, watching seabirds fly, wishing there could be someone waiting for me. Something's telling me it might be you. It's telling me it might be you. All of my life. Alright! At syempre hindi lang sa TV ako nabigyan ng pagkakataon. Pati FM station meron din. Alam niyo ba yun? Naalala niyo ba yung ano? WRR 101.9 For life, for life. Biglang nandito si Pina Morales. For life. Anyway, nagpapasalamat ako sa lahat po ng mga kumuha sa aking boses upang maging boses ng kanilang mga produkto like DZMM, SM for their Christmas jingle, my very first endorsement, BPI, and so many others. So maraming salamat po sa inyo. And this is the moment to thank those who have made this milestone concert possible. I would like to thank, of course, Cornerstone Concerts. Maraming salamat for believing in me. Thank you so much. And of course, ABS-CBN Music. Maraming salamat po. Headed by Sir Ron Siligigan. Thank you. And of course, the co-presenters of this concert, MVCA Clinic, Dr.